How to start affiliate marketing for beginners. Welcome to this free training series. And if this is the first video you're coming to, please hit subscribe to my channel so you can get new videos as they come out. And then you also want to go to the playlist, which I'll leave a link in the description down below. And you do want to go back and make sure you watch video 1 before you continue on in this video. But thanks so much for watching. Let's jump into what we're going to cover. Video 1, we kind of just did an overview about what affiliate marketing is and the type of funnel that is very simple yet effective. And this is the funnel that we talked about, where essentially you're going to be sending traffic, and that could be free traffic or paid traffic. And we will talk about this in upcoming videos, how to get traffic. So that will be covered. We're going to talk about how to create an email opt-in page, because this is kind of the crux of the funnel. You want to be able to collect email addresses from people so that you can continue to send them email messages. And these email messages are automated. They just automatically go out through your email autoresponder. So you do need to have an email autoresponder. And we talked about using either Aweber or GetResponse because they're both very friendly to affiliate marketing. And so I only recommend them. I'll leave links for those down below. Now, what we're talking about in this video is how to choose a niche and then how to find offers in that niche to promote. So a niche is essentially just, like an area of focus, okay? And some niches are what are considered evergreen, meaning that people always have an interest in those, okay, over time, and so they don't really ever go away. They're ongoing, they're enduring, and they're areas of interest that people have regardless of time. Now, some niches are more kind of like fads. They kind of come and they kind of go. You think back to, maybe you want to get into the niche of selling VHS tapes, right, and VCR recorders. Well, that was popular for several years, and then DVD players came out, and so that VCR niche, it went away, okay? And so that's an example of a niche that is more like a fad. It can be really hot for a while, and you might make some good money with it, but it's not going to be enduring. So when we talk about evergreen niches, let me just jot a few notes down here. So evergreen niches are going to be niches like make money online. That's super popular. Health and fitness. Kind of along with that, weight loss. Dating / relationships. Self-improvement. And I'm just going off the top of my head here. I'm sure there's others that are evergreen niches as well. But these are just some of the top ones that are, kind of year in and year out niches, areas of interest that people want to learn more about. So just kind of talk about these real quick. Make money online, that's my favorite niche. I like to make money online. You are probably watching these videos because you want to make money online. And there's a lot of people out there that also want to know how to make money online. And that is, obviously it's only a niche since the internet has, been around, but I don't think anybody really sees this being a fad, okay? If anything, it's only going to grow and grow and grow about how to make money online. So, super popular niche, and it's evergreen. People are looking how to make extra money, side hustles, whatever, especially if they can do it online from the comfort of their home, whether they're 20 years old, 30 years old, 50 years old. And actually, a lot of people, as they're retiring, they're turning to look at how to make money online. So this is a huge evergreen niche that really, is attractive to people of all ages, okay? So that's part of what makes it to me, a really fun niche to work in. Health and fitness is also huge. People want to know how to be healthy. They're always looking for, how to fix, ailments that they might have, or maybe for natural alternatives, how to get in better shape, weight loss. It's a constant struggle for a lot of people, especially as, more and more people become overweight. Dating and relationships. People always trying to find that special someone to get married, or maybe how to improve a relationship, how to strengthen a marriage, etc. General self-improvement, improving self-confidence, improving self-worth, just, lots of things fall under self-improvement. And then finances. And again, these are not all the evergreen niches. There's definitely more. But these are just, some common evergreen niches that are always of interest that people have. And there's just lots and lots and lots of people, tens of millions, if not hundreds of millions of people that all the time are looking for information in these areas. And they're going online to look for it, okay? Now, you may want to think about not only getting into a niche, but also you may want to consider what's called a sub-niche, okay? And that is a even more specific area. So make money online. Maybe a sub-niche might be blogging, it might be e-commerce, it might be Amazon FBA, video marketing, email market. There are tons, okay, of different sub-niches in this make money online niche. Same thing with health and fitness. It could be, building muscle, it could be losing fat, it could be, increasing your heart rate, improving your heart rate, your pumping efficiency, losing cellulite. There's, again, tons and tons. Weight loss, you could get, this is where you could get into like specific diets like keto, you got paleo, Mediterranean. This is where you could get into supplements. These are all different sub-niches for weight loss. And then, same thing again for dating, self-improvement, and finances. Finances might be things like IRAs, investing, gold, Forex, trading, etc. So you want to find, number one, hopefully a niche that you have an interest in, and hopefully that you also enjoy. Okay, because that makes it a lot easier then to work in that niche. If it's something you really just do not care about at all, or you just don't know anything about, then it's going to be kind of hard to focus on that niche. So I am definitely not a financial expert by any means. And so if I try to, get in, the Forex, trading niche, Forex trading is really popular. It always has been. It continues to be. I don't really know anything about it. So it'd be hard for me to focus on this sub-niche because I don't know anything, number one, and it's not something I have a passion about or wouldn't even necessarily enjoy. So, but maybe you like golf, right? Health and fitness. I mean, this is where sports could fall, maybe you like the NFL, maybe you like golf, maybe you like yoga, etc. Okay, so those are all sub-niches that maybe you have an interest in, you enjoy, and you would love to promote those things. So that is choosing a niche, because you need to have a focus before you go about trying to set up this funnel, right? Because let's think about it. If you don't, oops, sorry, let me erase this. If you don't have a niche, then how are you going to know, how to create your opt-in page, or what products to promote, or what email messages to send out, or even where to get traffic from? So this is, one of the first things you absolutely must do is choose your niche. Okay. Now you need to find offers to promote, right? You want to make money doing this. You need to have offers that you can promote, that you can either be upsell offers after they give their email on the opt-in page, and then also things that you can promote in the follow-up email series. So what you want to do is you want to be able to find affiliate platforms that have products where you can earn an affiliate commission. Now, there are tons and tons and tons of affiliate platforms out there. I'm just going to cover a few of them. This is probably one of the most popular. Amazon obviously is huge. You can become an affiliate for Amazon and sell products in almost any niche, right? Now, the downside to Amazon is their commission structure tends to be very low, maybe 1, 2, or 3% on a sale. And so, even if you sold a $100 product, you might only make $2 from that. So, maybe not as attractive, right? Now, they're just going to show you a few other examples. ShareASale is another one. They have over 221,000 merchants that you can choose from, and they have products and services for all kinds of different niches. So this is one that tends to be very popular. ClickBank can be popular. ClickBank, again, has products for all kinds of different niches as well, and so it can be a really good place to start. The nice thing about ClickBank is you can set up a free account, and then you are pretty much approved to promote almost every single product in their marketplace, and so you don't have to try to get approval. Now, that's true also of Amazon. Once you're approved, then you can pretty much promote anything. But other platforms like ShareASale and Commission Junction and other similar ones, you can create a free account here. That is fairly easy, although sometimes it's actually a little challenge to even get approved, because they may want to see websites or social media accounts or things like that. But then you also have to get approved for each individual product that you want to promote, and so you may or may not get approved. So just be aware of that. And that's why ClickBank is nice, because they have products for dozens of different niches, and you're automatically approved to promote those just by creating your free ClickBank account. So it's really a good place to start. Now, in the Make Money Online niche, I use sites like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, etc. when I promote products in the Make Money Online niche. Now, the other thing you can do is just, if you're not sure, maybe let's say you're going after yoga. Okay, now there's definitely products on ClickBank, yoga products on ClickBank. So again, this is where you could go. But if you're not sure where to start, you go to Google and you type in yoga mat affiliate program. Okay, and so 11 best yoga affiliate programs in 2022, and so you can find out what those are. Again, 9 best yoga affiliate programs, top 10. Here's the specific affiliate program for yoga. Jade Yoga, Everyday Yoga has an affiliate program for their website. So that's one way that you can find affiliate programs, or maybe you want to promote a specific product, okay? Maybe like Casper mattresses. Casper mattresses, they're memory foam mattresses. And what a lot of companies do, so if you click on this, they partner with an affiliate manager type of program who manages their affiliate program for them, okay? And so you would need to apply to, so Awin is actually who manages the affiliate program for Casper mattresses, and so you'd have to join Awin and then get approval to promote Casper. But that's another way you can find very specific things. You just go to Google, put in the company name or product name and affiliate program, like I did here, Casper affiliate program, and you'll find it in the search results. Or if you just go to their website and you scroll to the very bottom of their site, you'll usually find their affiliate program, a link to their affiliate program there. All right, so homework from this video is choose a niche. Okay, so these are just some examples, tons of others. If you sometimes getting a little more specific can be good and bad, right? So like say, yoga is certainly a sub niche of health and fitness, but you could even sub niche even further, and maybe all you want to promote is yoga mats. Well, then you're going to be kind of limited, right? Because then you can't sell other yoga products, yoga training videos, etc. if you get too focused. And so you don't want to get too specific, but you may not want to be too broad either. And then go and find some products that you want to promote, products that are interesting to you. And I would really encourage you to maybe start at ClickBank, just because, again, they have lots of different niches that they cover, and you're pretty much guaranteed to approve every single product once you get your free ClickBank account set up. And so that is that for this video, how to choose a niche and how to find offers to promote. And then come back in the next video and we're going to talk about how to create that email opt-in page, which again is the crux really for this whole funnel. So we'll see you in that video and talk about how to do that.